Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions.
This is a zipper jig from Sailrite. It is capable of accommodating tables up to 2 1/8 inch, which most jigs do not. It's also adjustable here so you can pivot this around. So I'm going to lock it onto my table here, and we're going to show you a quick way, if you have a lot of zippers, to install the slider. And then we're going to show you a tip on how to install the slider by hand that's a little bit easier. So I've got my zipper here, and this is number 5 coil. I'm going to put my slider on the jig. You notice that this side is lower here, or higher I should say, to accommodate the teeth, and the bottom side does not accommodate the teeth. So I'm going to put it on like this onto the jig. And then all I do is making sure the teeth are up. That's the underside. I just slide it in and pull. And she's installed. Now, if you don't have this jig and you want to know how to do it by hand, here's a neat trick. Take some scissors and cut the flange at a 45 degree approximately, doesn't have to be perfect, on both sides. Then use a lighter or a hot knife, but don't get too close to the teeth. You just want to kind of melt the flange and not affect the teeth. And then what you can do is you take your slider and start feeding it on. Don't push it all the way in yet, and get the other side so that they're being fed in at the same consistency. And this side's on a little bit further, there we go. And then push the slider on, see how it's even with the ends, so it's ready to be pulled on. And that's all there is to it. So cutting the 45s and melting the ends without affecting the teeth will make it much easier to install a slider by hand.